In Islam, it's 73 ways, and only one come to Jannat, to paradise.
That the Muslim Ummah will divide into 73 sects. And all the 72 sects will actually deviate from the original teaching of Islam. This is why they will not be the practicing Muslims. And at that time, according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ and according to the promise of Almighty Allah, a person will appear in the latter days as a subordinate prophet of the Holy Prophet of Islam ﷺ, who will revive the religion, who will give you the real teaching of Islam. And if you accept it, then you will be following the true teaching of Islam. And if you do that, obviously the result will be that Allah Ta'ala will put you in paradise. This is the meaning of it. That when that person comes, who will be my subordinate, who will revive the teaching of Islam, and he will be given the title of Messiah and Mahdi, then accept him. So this is the meaning of it. He can send any person, even a Christian or any person of any religion who do good deeds, take him to paradise. So Allah is all powerful, Allah is all merciful. So He can take any person to the paradise, but in general it is the principle that if Muslims do good deeds, they will go to paradise. And the Holy Prophet ﷺ, as I have said, further elaborated that those who will be very much entitled to go to paradise will be those who will accept the Imam of the age, my subordinate, the Prophet, the Messiah and Mahdi, and at the same time practice the true teachings of Islam. Only accepting is not enough, and you follow all the commandments or the instructions given to you by the Prophet Messiah Islam according to the teaching of Islam. Right? Then Allah Ta'ala says, I will send you to the paradise. And majority of them will go to paradise because they have accepted according to the promise of Allah Ta'ala and according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You see, you say you have accepted Islam, right? But only accepting Islam is not enough unless you follow the true teaching of Islam, you offer 5 daily prayers, you read the Holy Quran and know the meaning of it, and practice all the commandments, injunctions given in the Holy Quran. You see, spend your life according to the teaching of Islam, then you will be very much entitled to go to the paradise. Right?